Hey boys and girls, we're going to be playing the monster truck challenge. The challenges are digging, looking, finding, and you already know, free time. And going through dirt. I'm going to listen to my little brother, KadEN.
Yes.
Listen to my little sister, Zoe. And now, I'm going to set y'all up right here. The last video I messed up. I got poked, so I had to restart it. I think y'all might be good right here. Can you hold? Alright. Think I might be good.
Yes.
I'm having trouble visualizing y'all. I'm getting poked, y'all. Well, you know what? I'll just hold it. Alright, so let's get into this challenge. You know what?
What?
Hold this, KadEN.
Okay.
Just hold it. Just hold it. Just hold it. Don't press nothing. Hold it just like that. No, don't press nothing.
What are you doing, Jayden?
I'm digging a hole for the tablet. Here you go. That's it.
I wanted you to do to my brother, Jayden, and my little sister, Zoe. Why? What? I ain't little anyway.
There y'all go.
I'm a big sister.
So now, y'all look for y'all monster trucks.
Alright.
Look for your monster trucks.
I found mine.
Oh, he
I
found
mine.
He found. All right, so we got Blaze, Blaze the monster machine, and the truck from the Monster Jam. So now we're gonna get into this video. Y'all, what y'all want to do first?
Let's try.
Digging?
No. Zoe, let me guess.
Just let him do it.
Let's start. Let's try. Trucks can drive on cars.
No, we're gonna do dirt. You wanna do dirt first?
Yeah.
All right, let me. Y'all just play in the dirt. Let me get this challenge in.
We gonna hide them again.
First, y'all know we can become famous like this. Cause people like videos and all that stuff.
I am getting married. I don't want to. I know, but you never get. Whoa, you sitting a big old hill. Famous, you know why?
Make sure y'all hit that like button and subscribers just subscribe. Now we're finna get in. We have already got into this challenge, but I'm still digging some more dirt for them.
We finna have the best video ever.
Matter of fact, y'all want to switch up the subject? We're gonna do monster trucks and a basketball challenge. How about that?
What? How we gonna do that?
We're just gonna keep the video going. No, we're just gonna make another video. All right, now y'all ready to run through the dirt?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Yeah. We gonna make it nice and neat.
They brother and sister, they just wanted to make a YouTube video, so I let them.
Go to big hill.
Scoot over so they can see you. You know what?
Zoe!
Hey, any of y'all know Crusher? Leave a comment below and tell me.
I know Crusher.
I know you do. I want to see if all the other people do.
Leave a comment below if you know him.
Well, we're not going to have Crusher today. We're going to have the famous grave digger to come outside.
Yeah.
He's gonna see Gravedigger. He's in different colors, but he's gonna be doing this video too.
Yeah.
Come on, KadEN, put the shovel down.
Put the shovel down. What you doing?
Put the shovel down, bro. Now we can start. Now we're gonna be just running through the dirt, right? Stop,
Yeah.
KadEN. Just run through the dirt.
Make a video.
So see, we'll probably be getting a little dirty, but doesn't matter.
We're gonna take a bath tonight anyway. Meow, meow. You know some cars make that sound. Look at this. Look.
Oh, we're gonna try to reach.
Jumping.
We're gonna try to reach 1,000 likes. So make sure make sure everybody who's watching this video hits that like button.
Hey. I feel very nice. Now with those rocks out.
Look. Blaze just got knocked over
Let me see.
by Gravedigger.
Give me.
Give him Blaze. Give
Here.
her Blaze.
Here, have it.
You can't act like that in no YouTube video, KadEN, okay?
We're gonna start this. Hey, a beetle! Beetle, look, Zoe!
Another beetle?
Yes. The other one too. I picked it up. He's going right there. I still found him. Be quiet. I saw him.
He can still. You need to start talking in the video too.
Let's see what they're gonna do. Yeah.
Alright.
We had cars over here from one over.
So now, y'all make sure y'all see the basketball challenge, the next challenge that comes up. So
Can we do the crushing cars?
yeah, we'll do crushing cars in a little bit.
Okay.
But for now,
No.
we're gonna be doing this.
My truck can't
So we already did looking and finding. We're doing running through the dirt.
Yeah, we doing that.
What else you wanna do?
Take these cars. Hold on. I want to put cars all right here, and then the monster put.
What about this, y'all? How about y'all just see what we can do? Y'all just sit right here real tight. No, we'll have to do that the next monster truck challenge. And for now, that's it. Now y'all see y'all say bye. Say bye to the people.
Bye.
See y'all later.
I'm 8 years old.
Here they are.